Dear students, today we shall be talking about the Kalij Pheasant, which is now Union Territory bird of Jammu and Kashmir. This Kalij Pheasant became overnight star just after the announcement of it as UT bird of Jammu and Kashmir. The guess and the probability of various searchers, various bird watchers turned wrong, as many of them were expecting the birds like Kashmir flycatcher or orange bullfinch or Jammu flycatcher, tawny owl, whistling thrush, Himalayan monal, and many more. But in between, while going through the discussion on the Facebook page, the Birds of Kashmir group, one of the members expected the Kalij pheasant as the Union Territory bird, and his guess turned out to be correct. And according to him, it is sighted from Padar, Kishtwar, Bhadrawa, Boniar, Lolab Valley, Kishanganga Valley, Uri, and other parts. Kalij pheasant is known as one kokod or one kokod in Kashmiri, which can be transcribed as wild cock. The government of Jammu and Kashmir has declared Kalij pheasant as the bird of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. An order in this regard has been issued by the Department of Forest Ecology and Environment on 21st of October 2021. When we talk about its distribution, the Kalij pheasant, which is scientifically known as Lophura leucomelanos, and it is a pheasant found in the forests and the thickets, especially in the Himalayan foothills from Pakistan to western Thailand. While searching the reference regarding the sighting of the bird from Jammu and Kashmir, it was found that the bird was first time recorded from the Azmatabad village at the altitude of about 1668 meters above sea level. And that too reference was of Sajid Ali and Pragya Shrivastava 2021. When we try to go through its status, it is a least concerned species and it belongs to the class Aves, order Galliformis, family Phasianidae, and genus Lophura, and species Lophura leucomelanos. And when we talk about its sexual dimorphism, males are rather variable depending on the subspecies involved, but all have an at least partially glossy bluish black plumage, while females are overall brownish. As you can see on the screen, the first one, the upper one, is the male and the lower one is female. So this is male and this is female. Both sexes have a bare red face and grayish legs, the latter separating it from the red-legged silver pheasant. Lophura leucomelanos is native to Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, India, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Thailand, and it was introduced to the United Islands as well. Males have a total length of 63 to 74 centimeters, that is 25 to 29 inches, whereas females are 20 to 24 inches. It means the males are larger in size than that of the females. The 9 subspecies of the Kalij pheasant have been recognized so far. When we talk about the distribution in India, it is distributed along Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Nagaland, and according to the India Biodiversity Portal. But obviously it is found in Jammu and Kashmir also, though not mentioned in India Biodiversity Portal. It was all about the Lophura leucomelanos, that is Kalij pheasant, which is now Union Territory bird of Jammu and Kashmir, rightly from the 21st of October 2021. Thank you.